Today I'm going to get this exhaust bolt right there cut back because that thing hangs down the furthest of anything. So I'm going to get that thing cut. We'll see what it looks like after I get done. Okay, we got the bolt out of there. That's something we don't have to worry about dragging first anymore. So let's see what else we could do here. The easiest thing is to grind something off this flange right here. I think that's about the next point that hangs down the furthest. Should be able to grind 1/2 inch off that without causing too much trouble. Causing any trouble actually, so I'm going to grind that off a little. Well, it took a little bit off that flange. That'll maybe keep it from hitting a few things. Got the 4-dog stove in today. This thing is one big stove. Looks like it's twice as big as that Daschle stove that I have. I'm going to take it up tomorrow and run it through its paces, do its first burn-in, and compare it with that Daschle stove. This thing is like industrial strength, looks like. That's what that stove looks like in the back of the Jeep. The thing takes up a lot of room. But fortunately, the tie-down points in the back of the Jeep are the perfect size for the ratchet strap to go around the stove, so that's great. Tie-down point on the front of the stove, it's a perfect fit. I'm going to ratchet this stove down. This thing weighs like 50 pounds. If this thing gets going, it's going to really screw somebody up. You have to stop fast, so I'm going to ratchet strap it down. And it fits perfect. Let's get these legs on here first. I got my two stoves next to each other. This new stove on the right is a serious stove. The 4-dog stove. That's the first time I put wood in there, had a fire in it. And the Daschle just has, the Daschle's the little one. It just has too many air leaks. That top plate right there is made out of aluminum. It warps and it leaks air. You can't control it. It just burns through wood way too fast. See, this Daschle stove, the way this is like a manifold attaches for the flue, this all leaks. The top leaks. There's no gasket in the door. It just leaks everywhere. It's just not a serious warming stove. Something to play around with in the summer. We'll roast weenies over maybe. Got the top off that thing. I guess you could use it as like a fire pan. New stoves in the tent. Coming back tomorrow to spend a couple days. We'll see how it works. There's the stove sitting in the tent. Should work out well. Got a lot of room to put stuff on top, that's for sure. And those shelves are nice. Try it out tomorrow.